Welcome to Big Country Powersports, located in Bowling Green, Kentucky. My name is Byron Miller, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the all-new 2020 Ranger 1000. This unit here has a lot of key features that make it engineered for work, built for comfort, and made to last. So we'll start off with the engineered for work. As you can see here, it's got 12 inches of ground clearance, which will pretty much get you through most terrain that you'll be going through, whether it's for construction work, farm work, working around the house, or just running the kids around in the yard. Whatever it may be, this unit's got the ground clearance that you can need. It's got a 1,000-pound capacity in the bed. It's got a 2,500-pound towing capacity. It also has the all-new single overhead cam engine, which provides you 61 horsepower for every situation, and 55 foot-pound of torque. So that's the engine. That's what they've done to make it engineered for work. And again, it can be used for whatever you may want it to be, whether it's for the farm, construction work, whatever it may be. We'll move over to this unit real quick, and we'll talk about what they've done inside to improve that comfort for you. So I'll move over onto this side here. What you've got is you've got 6 cup holders in here. You've got 1 on each side, 2 up top, 2 down here in the middle. You've also got storage underneath the dash here, as well some bottle holder, 2 bottle holders down there as well. The seats are 25% thicker, which gives you that more softness, comfortability there. It's got 18.6 gallon capacity of storage, as you can see underneath the seat here. So that's the inside. It's got more clearance to get in and out of your unit here. So you can see how easier it is to get in and out, whether you're by yourself or you have others with you. So that's the built for comfort inside here. It's got a tilt wheel as well. It's got the dash front and center where you can see all the instruments there. So we've talked about those two. The other things they've done to make this thing built to last. It's got a one-piece chassis system underneath it, which is rigid and strong. It's got the full body skid plate underneath it, which is very strong in durability. That'll save the underneath for you. And then it also has the vent here in the front, which you can take off. And what that does is that gives you access to the radiator. You can do cleaning or whatever you may need. So those are the things they've done there to give you those functions. Now, what else I'd like to show you is you've got key features that you can add to this. We have poly windshields that are on here. You have vented windshields here. You have solid windshields here. That's just a hard coat. They're lock and ride, so they're easy to come on and take off. You have a hood rack here that's on there for mounting tools, whatever it may be. We have a bumper on this one that we've added to it. This one has the rear rack added to it that has the winch in it. And then one of the other features I wanted to save to last was to hook this winch up. You don't have to run wiring all the way through it. They've got the new electrical box thing right here in the middle, which has the easy access. You just plug them in there and you are good to go. So this is the all-new 2020 Ranger 1000. We have multiple colors in stock. We have cruise. We have whatever you're looking for. So I hope the next time you're looking for a new Ranger, you will shop Big Country Powersports, located in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Thank you.